target area before you. The Wings of Blue was founded in 1964 by a group of renegade cadet skydivers. We are proud to represent the United States Air Force and the Air Force Academy at demonstrations such as this one. Each year, the Wings of Blue perform at more than 50 special events, displaying intricate aerial skills for more than 2 million spectators. If you look overhead, you will see each jumper has deployed a flag under their canopy. The flags being jumped in today are the United States Army flag, the United States Marine Corps flag, the United States Air Force flag, the United States Space Force flag, the POW MIA flag, and of course, an American flag. In addition to the demonstration team you see here today, the other half of the Wings of Blue is our competition team. The Wings of Blue competition team has dominated collegiate national skydiving championships for 35 consecutive years, making us the most decorated collegiate parachute team in history. Ladies and gentlemen, the jumpers are low enough that they can hear you. Go ahead. Entering the pattern from Manassas, Virginia. He has over 629 jumps. He is bringing in the flag of the United States Navy. Put your hands together. From Highland Ranch, Colorado, with 622 jumps. He's taking in the flag of your United States Air Force. It's Cadet First Class. Following Parker from Fort Wayne, New York, with 623 jumps. He's jumped the flag of our newest service branch, the United States Space Force. Give it up for Cadet First Class, Big Parker. Close behind Mitch from Marietta, Georgia. He has over 503 jumps. He's bringing in that POW MIA flag. Get on your feet for that first class. If you look overhead, you will see one more jumper. Rounding out our jumpers in an aerial salute to our nation's heroes. Our final jumper will be landing 800 square feet of pure American freedom.
decided that it's been a long old haul through the pandemic, hasn't it? And isn't it great that we can come out together here and celebrate aviation at this great event? Isn't it great to be back outside and together again, folks?
Yeah. So funny.
Like Christmas continues eastward. Both of these pilots are back on the stage to themselves a little bit later. But right now, as they shake these airplanes out, it's about getting it right, getting used to the density altitude of this high, high air. That's all pilots don't know how to deal with it. So vertically, he climbs as high and as fast as he can. Again, rolling Lucas oil to the top. He gets ready to pull back now and change direction and fly right out of the air. A couple of aerobatic bringing down and make it look like he's not flying. As Bob gets ready to re-enter the aerobatic box from the left now, and let's see what Bob Freeman has. That's how you win competition. Keeping it right on the numbers too. Keeping the airplane flying and connecting these movements one after the other. Staying in the aerobatic box. Top to bottom, bottom to top to bottom. Just flipping in over in, over in. Just enough energy in midair to get it done. And then straight down. He pulls back now, building up that energy, getting some smash on the airplane to make room for Mike Whiskers, who's now low and fast off to your left. Building his airspeed up to almost 300 miles an hour in this very special pit special. He flips to the inverted position. Across that runway, just 15 feet off the deck. Mike Whiskers, Lucas Oil Pit Special. Believe it or not, this airplane he found on eBay is a wreck. Then decided to fix it up himself. Went on to win championships with it. And has continued his relationship with Lucas Oil for 20 years flying it now. Also low and fast in the purpose-built Extra 300L. Here comes Bob Freeman from the left. Beautifully gyroscopic outside maneuvers. Begins same altitude he exits and positioned it right at show center for the peak. And that's what the precision flying of competition aerobatics is all about. Combined with the freestyle gyroscopic moves. Mike has smoke on, that means he's coming in for a bit more too. Again, as they celebrate their freedoms by flying. So you hear the airspeed increase. That's why they dive down. The aerobatic pilots are burning energy or altitude. This time, what's he gonna do? Going for the double hammerhead. He's gonna try to get it to go around again. And he does in that thin air. And then backs off the power and gets it flying again. More precisely. Bob Freeman now, high and to your left. About to dive in and convert that altitude to energy and speed and precision. Gravity wins. And he doesn't stop fighting it. He continues to control that airplane as much as he can until it reconnects again and he flies right out of it. Beautiful, Bob Freeman. And there's Mike sneaking in right underneath him in the knife edge pass where the wings aren't getting him